I'm Video Jen and I'm hanging with Hangsterfers here at KALITTA Air in Detroit, Michigan, where our metalworking fluids scored me time in a 777 simulator cockpit. We then visit Spinner's headquarters in Austin, Texas, and wrap up at a CNC shop in Chicago. All that and more on this edition of the Monthly Lube. It's time to gear up for the Monthly Lube. Each month, Hangsterfers brings you business buzz, product highlights, behind-the-scenes adventures, and the people driving innovation in the world of metal manufacturing and machining. Hangsterfer's Metalworking Lubricants. In this edition, we're flying high with precision machining, OEM innovation, and shop floor excellence. And now to kick it off, Hangsterfers was thrilled to be in attendance at the KALITTA B2B Summit in Detroit, Michigan. From runway to racetrack, this company machines many of its own airplane and race car parts.
My name is Luke Fath. I'm the marketing manager for KALITTA Motorsports. Today we are here at KALITTA Air for our annual business-to-business summit. This is the first event that we have hosted here at the KALITTA Air simulator building, showing off KALITTA Air's beautiful 777 simulators. So KALITTA Air is a cargo airline. We do not fly people, but we fly everything else. We have a fleet of about 30 747s and 10 777s. KALITTA Air and KALITTA Motorsports are owned by the same guy, Connie KALITTA. It's really just Connie's passion, aviation and motorsports together.
So Connie KALITTA, because of being a kid who loved drag racing in his teenage years and went on to work his fingers to the bone as a drag racer, bought an airplane and has created one of the greatest private aviation empires in the world. The neat part about this business-to-business summit is the fact that you have people from all different industries here that have a common interest in this race team. You have the drivers here and the management of the race team.
Everything that we can do away from the racetrack that can bring new partners to existing partners and how they can grow their businesses together is why we're here today.
Hangsterfer's Metalworking Fluids is thrilled to partner with the KALITTA team on and off the track.
We use Hangsterfer's Metalworking Lubricants in our CNC shop for our race team as well as our airline. We make over 3,000 different parts and pieces in-house, whether it be for our race cars or our airplanes, and Hangsterfer's delivers. It's a key piece of what we do, and we love using that fluid every single day.
So a company like Hangsterfer's, with the quality of metalworking lubricants they produce, used by many of the major manufacturers in this sport, are what allows these engines to make 12,000 horsepower.
We have 2 full-motion 777 simulators. As a treat for our partners today, we're going to get them some seat time flying a jumbo jet.
So opportunity of a lifetime. Now you can see how big this thing is. Check this out. Here we go. Look at where we are. We are in a cockpit of a 777. And guess who's flying? Me. Take a little ride. You guys ready?
Ready to gear up. Landing gear's coming up.
We're flying high. The great pilot here, he's showing me the ropes. Look at this.
You did a great job.
I'm telling you, a day with KALITTA Air is like nothing else. Thank you, KALITTA.
Best place to work for.
I got to take off, but gonna let somebody else land this. Woo! Wow! Wow! Yeah, nice land! KALITTA Air really knows how to throw an event, and their parting gifts are so cool. First of all, we each got our own personalized ear protection from Sound Gear. We get this cool piston. And now they wouldn't let us leave here without our own airplane. A big thanks to KALITTA for that unforgettable B2B. Next up, German engineering expertise and turnkey automation with Spinner North America in Austin, Texas.
Today we had our first event here at our tech center in Austin, Texas. Austin, of course, is not just a growing city in Texas, but also becoming the center for advanced manufacturing in the United States and North America. Of course, we're in Austin, and Hangsterfer was here to be part of our experience.
Tell us where we are and how we ended up in this beautiful showroom together.
We are at a secret meeting of the minds. Some of the best, including yourself and Hangsterfer's here at Spinners. Get a little sneak peek of what's coming at their new national headquarters, which is kind of neat.
So Spinner is a German builder of machine tools. We have been in business since 1948, and we exclusively manufacture lathes, mills, and automation for CNC machining. These are very advanced computer numerical control machines. So machines that are controlled with a computer to cut metal. So any piece of metal, steel, aluminum, bronze, graphite even though that's not a metal, can be cut in these machines to do very precise parts for airplanes, for automobiles, oil and gas, any kind of industry you can imagine where metal parts are utilized. Metal working fluids are very important actually because they become part of the equation in the manufacturing process. So when you are incorporating different materials, and don't forget, a liquid, a fluid, is part of that equation of materials. The composition of these materials can play a very important role in the precision that we can provide. Hangsterfer has been a great partner to us. The Hangsterfer has great support and have taken the time to understand what we need and more importantly, what our customers need.
The Hangsterfer product is very clean, it's safe, and it works good. My company wants to be involved with moving forward with technology as much as we can and bring that technology to our customers so they can have improved productivity, lower their costs, and become more competitive in the world market.
All right, it's lunchtime, and look what Spinner is providing, Texas barbecue. It was a great time with Spinner North America, and Hangsterfer always enjoys partnering with the OEMs. And now we take you inside to BARTECH Precision, which is one of our end users, and their shop is located outside of Chicago. We're going to see how precision machining meets real-world application.
Hi, we're here at BARTECH Precision at the greater Chicagoland area. I'm Chris, and I'm going to show you around. All right, and what you're looking at now is our honing operation, which you use the hard cut 5618. And what he's basically doing is he takes a part, which is about 2,000 stock left on the piece before the finished size. So he does about 3 to 4 passes on that, which we call the pre-finish, and then the finishing operation, which gets the part to the exact size and the exact micro finish that the customer states on the print. So the next section here, we have the Hangsterfer Supreme Coat Plus and the LUBE that we use in all of our machines. The good part about all Hangsterfer products are we never have any problems with skin irritants. None of our employees have any skin irritants from it. The Hangsterfer Supreme Coat Plus, which we use as a rust prevent, we run up to like 5,000 pieces at a time. So how Hangsterfer really makes a difference in our shop, for this example, some old rust preventants that we were using, they're leaving some residues inside the ID threads. Whereas with Hangsterfer, when we're sending pieces off to get plated, they have a lot easier time cleaning the part. So that helps both us with pricing with the plating company because they don't have to spend that extra time to clean out the part. The LUBE holds a much longer lifespan than the other products we were using, and it also doesn't lose its form with mixing with other products in the machine like metals and what are you. So great products overall, and we're happy with it. When building medical equipment, Hangsterfer comes in where the tolerances are very, very small. It has to meet a certain standard, and Hangsterfer meets every standard in the medical field by far.
From tight tolerances to tight turnarounds. Way to go, BARTECH. Thanks for watching this edition of the Monthly Lube. I'm Video Jen with Hangsterfer's Metalworking Lubricants, made for machines that shape the world. We'll see you next time, right here at the Monthly Lube.